As the Hospital Management Board, we would like to emphasize here that the Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital operates in accordance with the highest standards of ethics and professionalism. We are therefore committed to providing exceptional healthcare services to all members of our community without discrimination of any kind. Ladies and gentlemen, in the recent past, we have experienced a lot of external interference on the hospital operations and service delivery. This not only contravenes the Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital Act of 2014, which gives the facility autonomy as an independent corporate body, but also compromises the independence of the hospital and its ability to provide effective and quality healthcare services to the public. While we appreciate the role the political class has played in the growth of this facility, we are also alive to the detriments of political interference in a facility offering critical and life-saving services to the populace. Such interference, which at times exerts pressure on the hospital administrators to implement policies or practices that are not in the best interest of the patients, can lead to a reduction in the hospital and efficiency, the loss of public trust. Moreover, political interference can create an environment of uncertainty and instability within the hospital that can also lead to negative impact on the morale of employees and performance that includes absenteeism and very high turnover, staff turnover. As the Ktrh fraternity, we strongly urge politicians to respect the autonomy of the hospital and to refrain from interfering in its operations. In this spirit, we call upon the hospital administrators and staff to remain committed to their duty of providing quality healthcare services to the public and to focus on the needs of patients. As a hospital, our primary goal is to provide top quality healthcare services to our patients. And any external interference will definitely compromise the integrity of our operations. While we are against external interference, we welcome constructive ideas, suggestions, collaborations, partnerships that are geared towards improving service delivery. In particular, we appeal to our politicians to leverage on their networks to help improve service delivery to our people. It is through working together that we can ensure the hospital operates effectively, efficiently, and in the best interest of the community it serves.